More Jeep slang you need to know. Hey, thanks everyone for reaching out to me, sharing your Jeep slang that everyone should know. I appreciate all the comments. You guys rock. And here's what was shared. Here are the top 10 Jeep slang words from my YouTube subscribers. Ugh. This one's my favorite word or sound. That moment when you look up ahead to find the best line to go through, but there isn't one. Then you look again, and you were right the first time. There isn't one. I've done this many times. Now remember, these are Jeep slang words from my YouTube viewers. Jeep hole. This is what my husband and I call a Jeeper who doesn't weigh back. Shovel. A stock TJ transfer case skid. Getting ducked. Hashtag duck duck Jeep. When someone likes your Jeep and gives you a small rubber ducky to let you know it is awesome. Mall crawlers. Jeeps that never leave the pavement and usually are all fancied up with all that bling and chrome and shiny stuff. Send it. When you are trying to climb up a hill or some rocks and you just can't make it, so your spotter yells at you to send it, which means you floor it or hit that skinny pedal or give it more gas. Sliders. Rock sliders or rocker guards. They help your Jeep slide over the rocks, and I personally love that sound. Typically, they are constructed of heavy gauge steel tubing, and they ride right below your rocker panels, which is right below your doors. Skids. Skid plates. Some people call it armor. They're protective plates, usually steel or aluminum, to protect the undercarriage of your Jeep from damage when you go off-roading. Tail gunner. This is the last vehicle in the group of vehicles on a trail ride. This person is in charge of making sure no one in the group gets lost. They keep the Jeep group together. Death wobble. This is an uncontrollable, violent shaking of your entire Jeep. Not just the steering wheel and not just the normal vibration or shimmy. In honor of my Aussie friends, here's a bonus. Some Australian Jeep slang. Park bench. Stock front bumper. OF handles. In Australia, they call them the OF handles. We call them the oh shit handles. They're grab handles. Water catchment, floor pan, fast pedals, the gas pedal. Hey, did we miss some Jeep slang? Share yours in the comments.